Hi, I'm Carol and welcome to 69 Broseley Road, Toowong. This brand new executive home exudes high quality finishes throughout its functional two-storey layout. With seamless kitchen, living, alfresco spaces, the family will be able to relax, unwind and entertain all year round whilst enjoying the perfect northeast aspect. Showcasing a designer kitchen complete with butler's pantry, stone bench tops and high quality appliances. Upstairs is 4 light-filled bedrooms, including the master suite with spacious walk-in robe and luxurious ensuite. As well, a multifunction room, perfect for families, parents' retreat or the work-from-home professional. Located close to popular cafes, vibrant Toowong village shops and businesses, transport and high-performing schools, including Brisbane Boys College, Queensland Academy of Science and Indooroopilly Primary. Sophisticated executive lifestyle you simply must have. See you at this weekend's open homes.